Our story research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include heads-up display, blind spot monitor, USB audio interface, ventilated seats. You are going to love the 2017 Chevrolet SS. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, HID headlights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, premium sound system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.